Hey all, Justin from Graffiti Productions here in the Redwood Grove in San Francisco Botanical Garden, Golden Gate Park, and just want to give you guys a briefing on the Shure BLX4 paired with the BLX2 microphone. What we have here is a wireless pairing. What I already did this once, but you can always do this at any point just to scramble the group. You press one time and it looks for a signal that's clear and clean. It's scrambling for a good signal. F1, I do a channel scramble as well. F4, okay? So then I'm gonna match my microphone. I'm gonna turn this on. It's in mute position on my XR18, so it will not make any sound. And I will change it to say, right inside here, F4. So right now I'm on O, R. It has the whole alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F. So there's F and the 4, it's on 1 actually already. So I'm gonna go to 4. So the BLX2 now is blinking F4. So I know it's ready when the ready sign has a green light. It means that it has connection. And then the audio sign blinks right over here when I talk in to the microphone. So that's how you do a silent sound check with the PG58 Shure wireless mic. And it's just nice to make that scramble before each gig because there are different interferences, and it will help find the quietest signal with the least interference. And I even do that a few times before the gig. So I hope that helps, and hope this helps you do your own gig. If you want it live sound for a ceremony or any event, contact Graffiti Productions. Our booking at soulgraffiti.info is our email, 510-463-4769, 510-463-GROW.